Alright, good afternoon, people. Happy to host another live stream with you all after the headache trade and after a very good trade now. It is not very good trade, yeah. I expected the price to accept it above this range, that is 525, and go till day high, but you know what happened here. So it was a quick move as expected. This was a trap. Actually, I was expected the trap should have happened in this area, so entered it long and scratched it because no momentum. So I always expect this kind of momentum. After my entry, the price should fly. That is the only criteria I have after taking my entry. Anything less than that, anything less than this, I may not feel comfortable in my trade. Or if the momentum is bit slow, I want price to accept above my trouble area. Like this is a trouble area, right? On when I entered somewhere at this point, I want price to accept above this area. And if it traded above that, I can wait for till the price to reach the target one, which is 33,650 somewhere, or this area, the day high. But what happened earlier? Nothing happened. The momentum, complete failure in a momentum. If you are entered along and the buyers could not take the price up with the momentum, so what might happen? The sellers will take control and push the price down like this. But because of the sellers are pushing the price down, I'm not going for a short. I haven't think about a short there. I actually looked for a long. So I scratched it and waited for at least more than half an hour. And I got in one more entry with some different setup. I took a long. It was a quick move, but not sustained above. So I exited 50%, and the next candle takes my SL at cost. It was very quick. It all happens in a 10 minutes. The entry, the exit, and the SL hit at the cost, everything happened in a 10 minutes. So though it made a profit, and I'm not happy with this kind of price movement. See, not every time we can go enter and make a successful trade. Like in this kind of particular movement, right? So I think I'm done for the day unless I see some good smooth movement happen in the price. So I want price to go away from this area anywhere. I don't know if it will go up, it will go down. I don't care now. I thought of taking a break after that trade. So if I take a break, it will be more than 30-40 minutes. So before my break, I thought of having a quick session here, and definitely I'll take a break for at least 30 minutes, and I'll come back after maybe 2 o'clock, and by that time I'll look for any setup to trigger. If something triggers, I'll look for an entry, otherwise no entry, and I'm happy with this trade. I'm done for the day. Let's see what Banknifty brings us today. And you might wonder why I went along after this back-to-back red candles. See, the red candles are not mean to that you want to go short. Could be a trap, right? So this is not again going against the trend, right? It is not going against the price movement. It is not going against what? The nature of the market structure. Actually, I try to go along with the market. But the only difference is I'll try to enter very soon as a wholesale entry. Before the people realized they got trapped, I want to enter into the market and take the profit from the SL, and I want to get out soon. Still there is still there is a one strong seller group is in this market, and they are sitting without any problem. I'll tell you where it is. So from this area, look at this point. So these people are happy now, so they don't face any problem. The people who shorted at the top, so they might face some problem if the price goes approaching here, because their SL is above this area. SL, I don't know till where the SL was, but I know the SL will start from here. Okay, so if you want to make a profit from the long, you want to take a SL from these short traders who went short already, right? This is how you can make a profit. Nobody is giving their money from their pocket. You have to rob them legally. If we are not taking their money, of course they will take our money again legally. So this is a no messy game. I think I lost my all energy because of these two trades. One was scratched out and another one was, it's okay, but I'm not happy with this trade. But too quick, especially during a expiry. I'm just looking at 33,300 strike, which was actually at, what is the load for that? 145 to 300. So which is like 150, 160 rupees movement. 160 rupees movement in this thing. I managed to capture 95, not more than that. If the price accepted above this area, I would have waited for price till go till here. Maybe I would have booked some around 200, 250. If price goes for 400 rupees in a strike, I would have waited for some time. But everything happened very soon. So again, if you ask me where the price is going, it's up or down, I really don't know. And I cannot commit some fake thing, right? It will move up or it will move down. See, half of the time I don't understand what market is doing. At least for this few weeks, I don't understand that. At least for half of the time. So whenever I understand what is happening in the market, I look for the trade. Otherwise, don't look for this trade. I think I given access for everyone. No. I'll give you the access, mic access. If you have anything to talk, you can talk. Only about the logical trading system. Always be calm, be patient. You'll get it. The more relax and the more, meantime, more focus. So if you spend some time to focus, you have to spend same amount of time to relax. especially in the market, especially in the intraday trading, because you cannot focus the market for 6 hours continuously. No one, I bet. So relax, focus, relax. Whenever you don't understand what is happening in the market, relax. Whenever you know something, what is going to happen in the market, focus. As simple as that. And don't spend all your energy to find what is happening in the market for the whole day. Sometimes we can do it. Sometimes the whole day the price movement will be very smooth. Not especially in the trending days. Maybe in the sideways days also we'll get some beautiful smooth price movement. That time we can do any stunt, especially in these the days like this. You should not spend all your energy. See, I'll give you the one real-time example. If I host this session around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, I'll get a moderate participants. If I host this show at 9:15 or 10 o'clock, I'll get more participants. If I do the same live streams at 2:30 or 3, do you know how many people will join? At least half of the people who join now. What is the reason? The people will go frustrated. When the time gets progressed, people will go frustrated and they lose their energy and they'll get out from the market, right? So it is not necessary you have to sit in a front of desk for a first 3 hours, and you should not go to the home with a frustration. So take a break, come back, focus. If there is something, trade. There is nothing, don't trade. And definitely I don't take any decision now. I'll tell you why. See, this is my visible reversal point high. This is my visible reversal point low. From this point, the price may go up, the price may go down. Do you see this is exactly at center point where the price is trading? So whose place is this? It's actually a traditional retail trader's place to trade. Definitely it's not mine. And you may ask why you went for a long here, because I know the sellers got trapped. Now the sellers are not in a trap. Also the buyers were also not in a trap. This is not a place. This is not a place to trade for us, the people who trading with logical trading system. And definitely no setup will trigger. You will sit relaxedly. And if you feel or if you say that this is actually stop loss hunting, fake breakout, false breakout, freaky thing, whatever, but what is the use of that when you think of considering this as a stop loss hunting or anything? It happens a lot of time, right? This is what a market nature is. People wants to hunt your stop loss. People want stop loss to make money. So there is no use of complaining about this is stop loss hunting. Yes, it's stop loss hunting. The question is, are you participating in this or not? All right. Anything else? I think I have answered all the questions. I'm seeing a lot of new faces today. Hey, welcome you all, man. The ladies and gentlemen, I have seen some couple of ladies here also. So I welcome you here to the wonderful Simple Trader community. You will find a lot of good heart people here, and you can learn about the logical trading system, which doesn't require any indicator, pattern, data, nothing. You can trade independently by understanding other traders' emotion. And definitely you'll keep this group, or you keep this channel unmute, because this channel will not spam you. We don't share any spammy messages. I welcome you here. Let me see if there is any question in this group. They say it's a false breakout. No, it is not a false breakout. Magical move, was it as no, it was not a BYF, Dheeraj, and it was not a magical move. It's just a move, small move. That's it. No questions. So this is the area. I don't want to touch anything, especially the prices in middle of this range. So what I'll do, I'll put some alert above and down, and I'll go to break. So whenever the some alert get triggers, I'll come back and I don't trade. I'll come back and start analyzing what is happening in the market. And this is not like buy low and sell high. Don't think about that, and don't consider about that. So this area is definitely not for me. So let the people trade, let the people take their decision, let the emotion build in the market, let the hope builds in the market, let the frustration will build in the market, and we'll come back and we'll trade the traders. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.